All right, peace, peace, peace. All right, I got three people, one sign. All three of them are Aries. Should I start with the rapper guy? Then I got basketball player. He's an Aries as well. Then I got a YouTube star. Then I got, hold on. Soon my computer want to catch up. Then I have my YouTube star. Okay, first sign Aries. Now, see, all three of their birthdays are different. One was 89. The other was crap. One was 91, and the other one I think is 92. All different years, right? Different dates. Two is March, one is April. I'm gonna show you their charts. Whenever it comes to, I'll show you what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is this: signs within the signs. You know, Aries. That's what we're focusing on. I'm show you three different people in three different degrees, and I'm gonna show you how the sun is your will, what you will to do. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it plays out in their life. All right, Quavo, the rapper, right? His birthday, April the 2nd, 91. 12.27. These are the minutes in between the degree. Right? A degree is an hour, 60 minutes. So it says 12:27. You're saying about 27 minutes within the hour. Okay. Anything before 30 is within the first duad. Anything after 30 is in the second. Show you what I'm talking about. Right here. Right? 12.5 is 12 degrees and 30 minutes within the degree. Okay, 0.5 is half of an hour. An hour is 60 minutes. So don't let the 0.5s and the 30s throw you off. Which is when we say 0.5, talking about half of a degree. Half of a degree is 30 minutes because a degree is an hour. Okay, so that's what we talking about when when it says 27 right here. So he's on the inside. On the inside. So since he's on the inside, he's in the Leo subdegree of Aries, not the Virgo subdegree. All right. So now you just look at him. He's Quavo, and then Migos, niggas pocket watching. Want this, that, terminology. Hold on, that's the other one, ain't it? My bad. Anyway, okay, Leo want to shine. Okay, he wants to shine. That's what he does. That's what he raps about. Being, fresh and all that shit. So that's what Leo is. Leo is, you expressing yourself. That's the type of Aries he is. He's a Leo type of Aries. I mean, if you didn't know no better, you may well guess he's an Aries, right? So, I mean, you may well guess he's a Leo, right? All right, so let's look at Kyrie Irving. Soon as hold on. Did the shit go? Oh shit, it switched quickly. All right, Kyrie Irving. See, it's 2 degrees and 42 minutes. Now, since it's 42, it's after the 30, right? Following? So since it's after the 30, it's after the half, it's within this subdegree, not this subdegree. Okay? So he's a Taurus type of an Aries. Okay? Now, I don't know shit about football. Basketball. I don't pay attention. So I looked up something real quick, just because I was looking for something. Because if he was born earlier that day, then he's in the Aries duad. So I said, if he's a Taurus Aries, then something about him gonna be slow, right? Because Kyrie needs to slow the ball down to be effective. The offensive takes a hit when he doesn't finish the possession. When Kyrie catches and holds the ball, the defense is able to adjust and set some resets. All right. So because he's a Taurus type of Aries, he's not as quick as the typical Aries, but he still is athletic just because he's in an early degree of Aries. You see what I'm saying? That's the starting energy. Aries is your starting energy. Aries rules your head. You got to be a quick thinker to be a point guard. Ain't he a point guard or he a shooting guard? I have no idea. I think he a point guard. Damn, I shouldn't have clicked on that. That shit gonna take forever. Oh, okay. I think he's a point guard. But anyway, you gotta be smart. You gotta be quick witted to be a point guard. You see what I'm saying? And they're gonna say his hands, magician, watch him, hold on, they say something about, oh, his hands invoke a master yo-yo trickster, the ball fitting back and forth. His handle, excuse me. That's, his dribbling skills. I'm gonna show you something, right? When you want to look at your talents, right? Know what you naturally good at. Oh shit. I try to do too much. Hold on. Go then fold it up. Oh. Hold on. Okay, his Mercury. No, not Mercury. Hold on. Where is it at? It's Jupiter. Ah, there it is. His Jupiter, right? Jupiter is in Virgo. Jupiter is your talent. Virgo rules your hands. Unresponsive, just wait. Don't close nothing. Okay, Jupiter rules your hands. So just specifically his handles. We talking about the basketball player because Jupiter is in Virgo. You see, I know I wasn't supposed to go to nothing else, and I ain't gonna go to nothing else. I'm gonna stay focused on the sun, but just to show you, all right, this is your brain on the stars. And I say this is your brain on drugs. Now this dude here, oh shit, okay, this guy here, CJ So Cool, right? He a YouTube star. He got, I read his bio. He got like 5 million subscribers or something. As soon as this pops up, I'll be able to show you. You know what I'm saying? But like I say, when you're using the free stuff, then it ain't in no rush for you. You gonna wait, goddamn me. I'm waiting, so. Yeah, it's taking too long. Oh, you see that? All right, anyway, I'll go back to it. His sun is 8 degrees Aries. I had to pull up his chart because they don't have his on a site or nothing. But I had to pull up his chart. You'll see his birthday, 3/29, March 29, 89, right? He's a 8 degrees Aries, right? 8 degrees. That's the Cancer degree. Cancer. Now, Cancer rules emotions, right? Your emotions is how you react to life. That's how you deal with life, right? Watch this. Listen. CJ So Cool. Brother made like $1 million off this shit or something, I think. More power to him. That's what's up, shit. Soon as it want to scroll down for me. You know how niggas should be raggedy, but you don't want to talk about it. But niggas be raggedy. I clicked twice. Oh man, it's kind of funny. But see, this is all the more reason for y'all to, get y'all a reading so I can get me some better software so I can do this quicker and better. And I ain't got to just be waiting on shit to come up. So you see Aries 29, born in Gary, Indiana. Associated with, hold on, about sensation known for his reaction videos, who were first described as the Wolf Pack. His reaction videos. I said he's in the Cancer degree of Aries. Cancer rules your emotions. Your emotions are how you react to reality. You see? So he started something because that's Aries. He started a YouTube channel about his reaction videos because that's his natural energy. That's his will. And then he even calls his people the Wolf Pack. And what does the wolves do? They howl at the moon, right? I just told you. He's in the Cancer degree of goddamn me Aries. So you see how the duads, the signs within the signs play out. We ain't even do nothing. All I did was look at they suns. But just to keep going, because we only need 10 minutes, Jupiter's in Gemini. So what I say, talents, he's giving his opinion. Gemini. And it's 3 degrees Gemini. Watch this. 3 degrees Gemini, Cancer. Coincidence? No, it's not coincidence. It's divine. He's doing what he came here to do. You see what I'm saying? That's what this is about, man. This is your life, man. What you manifested in life to do. We didn't look at Quavo's Jupiter just for the hell of it. Let's see where his Jupiter at. If this want to scroll down for me. So, go and get you a reading from me so I can upgrade my software so we can upgrade our minds together. I learn about this as I understand y'all. Look at that. Jupiter in Leo. What I say? I said his son was in. Didn't I say his son was in a Leo degree? God damn it. I can't make this stuff up. His son is in a Leo degree. 12 degrees. All right. His Jupiter is in Leo. At what degree? Let me see. I ain't look. 3 degrees, which is the Virgo degree. Virgo is your mind. Rapping. He's a rapper, isn't he? Isn't he? So, I mean, what more can I say? Need I say more? You know what I'm saying? This is your birth chart. This is the duads, the signs within the signs. This is you on paper. You know? I will help you decide for yourself. You help me, I help you, we help each other. Peace.